SPRO. Financial accounting.
That's it.
SPRO, financial accounting, SAP references, same ledgers.
Okay.
But I cannot see your screen.
This is right. Which I write is the right. NSPO.
/n/n SPRO. Enter.
No.
SAP reference IMG.
NGO. Okay.
Same path. Financial accounting.
Okay. Okay. Financial. Okay.
Global setting. Ledgers.
Ledgers.
Ledger. First one, define setting for currency type.
Ledger. Okay.
Server is slow, I think. Continue. Here you need to create a one new ledger. Okay, ledger is there. No? Double click on ledger. Double click. Click on new entries. Here you need to create one extension, any name. Our company is SOF. Anyone you create. SF will create a.
Yes, sir.
Right ledger name. Extension ledger for soft. Extension ledger for soft. Next, ledger type you give.
Okay.
Extension ledger. Next, that one not required. That one not required. Underline ledger. Underline ledger is nothing but a leading ledger. Select.
Okay.
Leading is 0L.
0. It's already chosen, right?
Click choose.
Okay.
0L.
0C, which was?
No, not 0L, not 0C. That one only.
Yeah.
Next to give valuation view. What is that one? This one not required. This one not required.
Okay.
Click enter. Enter.
Okay.
Save. See, underline ledger is nothing but a leading ledger only. 0L.
Okay.
Means why we are giving underline ledger to extension ledger means whatever entries you are posting in leading, no, that will flow to extension.
Extension.
Okay. How the value will flow to the extension means through underline.
Okay.
That is the concept. See, 100 rupees you are posting in leading means the same 100 rupees it will be available in extension.
Extension.
And if you post 100 rupees in extension, no, that 100 rupees it won't be available in leading. Okay,
because it is a manual creation. It's a vice versa. It's not working yet.
Vice versa, it won't work. That's why see, main reporting is leading only.
Leading ledger.
Extension means some entries, some adjustment entries they will post, and what type of entries they will post, no, which is not related to business. Means that those entries they won't show in the main account. See, in the companies, some entries will be there that it won't they won't show in the balance sheet. Correct, no? Some entries will be there, no?
Yes.
That personally they will keep for office purpose only. Okay, those types of entries only they will post in extension ledger.
Extension.
Leading is the main. See, all the finance entries will be posted in the leading only. But that leading entries also it will be available in extension also.
Extension.
Okay, that is the concept. How the value is moving from leading to extension means through underline. Continue. Go to position. Give your company code SYF1. Continue. Double click. Double click. Go inside.
Okay.
See, now whatever the in leading you created, everything will be available here. Okay.
Yes.
Now save. Your leading is 0L and your extension is SF.
Yes, sir.
If you see top, no, now you are in extension. See, ledger is SF is SF.
Yes.
If you are leading means it will be in 0L. Here no need to configure anything. Why? Because already we have configured in leading, no, that will be available in the extension. Continue. And add accounting principle to that extension ledger. Click on accounting principle. Inventories. Add IAS. Indian Accounting Standards. For leading, we have added gap. Okay. For extension, add IAS.
Yeah, we have to search always.
Go down somewhere, it will be.
This one, international accounting standard, right?
Yes, that one only. Enter. Save. Okay, this is configuration of leading and extension. One time you practice all these things. Okay. Create one new company. Okay, already it is there, I think, for new companies.
Yes, HP.
For that new companies, you try to create, try to do leadings,
And
assignment,
extension.
and extensions, and currency USD. Okay, and add the currency, everything. After doing all these things, you need to go and check in the ledgers. Extension should be there and leading should be there. Leading will be the standard that, but if you go and check under leading, your company code should be there, and an extension also your company code should be available. Okay, and for leading, link accounting principle as a gap, and for extension, you can link as a IAS. Okay. Okay. Next will be next week. Okay. But try to practice this one. Practice is important. This one.
Yeah.
You once save, you can close that. Okay.
Yeah, that's why I didn't close.
Okay, bye. Huh?
It's
It's came. Continue. Contact them, server people. Tell them that server is very slow. They will do something. Okay, bye. Bye. After saving, only close. Before that, don't close.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Bye.